Jason LaCrosse piloted the first MEDEVAC helicopter to come rescue German soldiers during the infamous Good Friday battle, in which a single German platoon fought 200 insurgents. When the American pilots learned that German paratroopers were suffering casualties, they immediately wanted to help. But while still on the outbound flight, the crews were radioed to turn back because the landing zone was too contested. LaCrosse, leader of the mission, ignored the order and flew on. As they approached the landing zone, the Americans then came under such heavy fire that they had to abort. Only on their second attempt were they able to land under heavy enemy fire and evacuate the first casualties. At one point, a rocket exploded just a few meters from the helicopter. Nevertheless, they not only successfully brought the first patient to Kunduz, but flew back into the combat zone 2 more times to evacuate more wounded. For their selfless rescue of the German soldiers, LaCrosse and the entire helicopter crew were awarded the German Gold Cross of Honor.